What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of CryptoRuff, where we demystify cryptocurrency every single day. Taking a look at the markets today, we see some really nice recovery after this huge market crash that just happened a few days ago. So if we look, Bitcoin's back up, Ethereum's up, Ripple's still pretty low from what it was, but at least we see that it's building some nice support right here at the $1.50 level, which is really cool. Bitcoin Cash is up over $2,000. It's good to see Litecoin back up. Tron has been back and forth, but pretty much around 8 cents, which has been awesome. And yeah, the markets are looking good, guys, so that's really awesome to see the market cap total going back up. It was under 500 billion, now we're seeing it upwards of $600 billion, well on its way back to the $700 billion mark, which is pretty stable for where we were at before the crash. So definitely looking forward to see that market cap go up and up and up as more people get back into cryptocurrency buying and trading. So today I want to do a DAVORCOIN update. Let's head over here to my DAVORCOIN. We see that in my lending wallet, I have $25. I've been saving it up for the past few days since my last update, because I like to do these updates live with you guys. The DAVORCOIN currently is sitting at about $119, $120. During the crash, we did see that down around the $60, $70, $80 mark. So it didn't crash too hard, and now we see it back up over that $120. So I'm currently using their lending program right now, where you see the average daily interest you get on your loans are pretty much above 1%, and the lowest we usually see is like a 0.71 would be the low day. So I've currently got $189 in active investments, and so I'm gonna go ahead and reinvest my $25 here. I want to grow this as fast as possible until I'm earning enough to start pulling out coins. And I want to hold some DAV coins because I think these coins are going to go up in value. And they do have a great staking program on their website if we look at that. So you can do an online staking, which is awesome. So I'm currently not staking. As soon as I get one DAV coin set aside, though, I want to start staking. So I'm going to grow my active investments and then start pulling out. This is again just showing the dashboard for you guys. So I've got about $15 of DAV set aside right now, which is about 0.13 DAV. And after I reinvest a little bit more, I want to start pulling out so I can get at least one DAV coin to start staking that. So if we go back to the lending page here, we see now my total investments are about $214. So I just crossed that $200 mark, and that's really exciting to see that. I'm really happy with the program. You can see all my invests here, all my reinvest. Why do I like it? Normally with other lending sites, you can only reinvest with increments of $10, but with DAVCoin, you can do odd amounts over $10. So if I have $10, 61 cents or $17 or $25. So you really see that start to grow faster and faster. So I've been reinvesting quite a bit. As you can see here, I started with $130, and they give you an option when we go to the lending here to lock in your lend for plus 30 days, plus 60 days, or plus 120 days. So because I knew that I was willing to risk this $130 I invested into the platform, I locked it in for an extra 120 days to get that 0.1% every single day. So we see that added to that. So today for me was 0.87% for that $130 loan. So we see that so far on that loan I've earned $30, and the rest of the loans it shows you how much I've earned, and I've got a little bit from affiliates, just from a few friends that have signed up under me and a few of you guys. So rule of thumb, don't invest more than you're willing to lose. And like I said, my end goal is to start stacking DAVCoin as an altcoin. So I'm using the lending program right now to be able to earn money that I'm going to transfer over to DAVCoin. I want to stake DAVCoin. It's a way for me to get another altcoin in my portfolio to diversify. And so for the time being, I have a lot of faith in the DAV site. But do not invest more than you're willing to lose, guys. But know that scared money never will make money. So all of you who are so scared of lending programs now, know that you're gonna miss out on lending programs. If you're scared to reinvest, if you get burned once and are terrified after that, go forward in your decision making. If you guys really got burned in BitConnect, I lost money because of this all, but I'm not freaking out because I was diversified. I was diversified in DAVORCoin. I'm holding ICOs. We got the ZootCoin ICO, we got the Lendex ICO that we're getting into. We are in cloud mining contracts like Genesis mining, HashFlare mining. So diversification is key. Hold coins, hold ICOs, get involved in ICOs. You do lending programs, do cloud mining programs, but don't be scared if you got burned so far with cryptocurrency. Just don't invest more than you're willing to risk. So that's my tip of advice, guys. So I will support the DAVORCoin lending program, and I hope I don't get much hate for that, but this is what I'm doing, and I'm sharing my journey with you guys. So you're welcome to join me on the site, or you're welcome to have have your speculations. I'm not giving any financial advice. I'm just simply showing, you know, this is what I'm doing. I'm taking the risk to show you guys what I'm doing, and I'm taking a risk on a site like this. Is all my hope, all my trust, all my eggs in the DAVORCOIN basket? No. For right now, I'm really happy with the platform and what I've earned. So that's just my 2 cents on DAVORCOIN. Now let's head over to our giveaway today. So guys, if you did not know, I give away $10 worth of Litecoin every single day. To enter to win, all you have to do is subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications, like the video, and comment your Litecoin address down below. It is awesome, sir. I assume you are referring to LITECOIN because yesterday's video was about the LITECOIN ICO. So congratulations, Iman Nayan. Let us go ahead and send you Litecoin. Alright, let's put in your Litecoin address. Looks like it checks out and we're sending you $10 worth of Litecoin. Congrats on winning. Here is your Litecoin. Alright guys, thank you so much for tuning in to watch today's video. I'm so thankful for the channel growth. We're getting really close to hitting that 1,000 subscriber mark, and at the 1,000 subscriber mark, I will be doing a giveaway where I give away $50 worth of Litecoin. I'm going to choose 5 different people, and I'm going to send each of those subscribers $10 worth of Litecoin. So, gonna do a special giveaway when I hit that 1,000 subscriber mark, which should be here in the next couple days. So really excited about that. Alright guys, if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, like the video, and comment a question with your Litecoin address down below, entering you to win tomorrow's Litecoin giveaway. Alright guys, we will see you tomorrow.